Potty training is a very important milestone among toddlers. When do we start it? And how do we know if they are ready for potty training? Let me share you some tips. If you see this sign on your child, it means that your child is ready for potty training. The more signs you see on your child, the easier and faster for him or her to be potty trained. Before proceeding with potty training, always remember to be consistent. Caregivers should plan toilet training when at least one caregiver is able to provide time and energy necessary to be consistent daily for a minimum of 3 months. Second is resolve existing constipation or UTI-like symptoms. Having these issues would be very hard for the child to achieve the potty training milestones. Once we identify the child and parents' readiness for potty training, we can start the process. First, buy the potty chair. The aim for the first week of potty training is for the child to become comfortable with the potty. Let them sit on the potty with clothes on several times a day for the first week. Second, making the connection. Second week on training is where you encourage the child to sit in the potty chair naked. You can do it several times in the day. Caregivers can then begin to make the connection between the elimination and the potty chair by placing the soiled diaper or stool in the potty and explaining to the child that this is the purpose of the chair. Then third week is the attempting to build a routine. It is advisable to let them sit on the potty about 10 to 15 minutes after meals. Micturition and gastrocolic reflexes, which are the cause of peeing and bowel movement urges after meals, are triggered 10 to 15 minutes after consumption of food. Next, provide positive reinforcement if the child is able to pee or poo on the potty. This rewards the behavior and the child will be encouraged to correctly use the potty. Example of positive reinforcement tool used for potty training is the sticker chart. Lastly, transition to training pants or cotton underwear. Children can transition from diapers to training pants or cotton underwear after at least 1 week of success using the potty. Children should not be rushed out of diapers, nor should they be forced to wear soiled diapers for extended periods of time as a form of negative reinforcement. They should return to diapers if they are unable to remain dry at this age. If the child regressed back despite months of being dry, that's okay. That happens all the time. Just repeat the potty training process quickly and the child will be back on track. Potty training is a long process requiring patience and positivity to become successful.